Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So this operation will be useful if you wish to download the app from other source than a regular one, I mean the Play Store. So for example, if you wish to download the app from your browser. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll and find the apps. And here scroll to find special app access. Scroll down again to find install unknown apps. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So let's pretend I wish to download the app from Chrome. I have to find the Chrome in the list and tap on it. And then tap on the switcher next to allow from the source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install something. However, be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. And of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher next to allow from the source, and now it is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.